know what kind of tea this is? This is bubble tea. But do you know where bubble tea comes from? Japan? Taiwan? South Korea? I know! It's Taiwan. But you must know there's more to love to Taiwan than just its bubble tea. This is Taiwan, the heart of Asia. This big island is the perfect balance of cities, nature, economic travel, and friendly people. I'm not kidding, Taiwanese people have a reputation for being super friendly. Its cities are full of traditional and night markets, claw games, and cheap bakeries. But it's easy to escape the fast life and head above the clouds or below the sea. So next time you see bubble tea, remember Taiwan is the place to be.